What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another drinks video. And for today's drinks video, what we're going to do, we're going to make a shot. You've probably heard of this, and if you know your shots or your shooters, you will know this one. It is the B-52, which is one of the most famous shots out there. Gotta say, especially when you're lighting for flaming B-52. Gotta say, it's not to be confused with the plane either. Gotta say, the origins of this shot are not clear at all. It's supposed to be originated in the 1970s from a bartender, as he liked the band B-52, not with the bomber, the B-52 from the 1950s. Because they said the origins go back to 1970s, but like with any drinks or cocktail history, it's never quite clear, is it? So let's get straight into this and make the B-52. Right, so with the B-52, it's 3 ingredients that are all layered, so I will show you how to make this. So this is a 3-drink layered shot. So the first thing we're going to do is layer in the coffee liqueur. Doesn't have to be Liqueur, which is what I'm using, so 1/3 of an ounce, which is 10 ml. So this is where you get your bar spoon now, and layer on top that Bailey's Irish cream. Remember, slow pour. Slowly pour in the Grand Marnier. So as you can see, it's separating. So now here comes the fun part. What we're going to do now with the B-52 shot is a lighter. So you can't see the flame that clear, because I think we need a better light for that, but that is the flaming B-52. Because say before you consume the shot, always blow out the flame, because you don't want any accidents. So this is the B-52. Because you can certainly taste the warmth for that. Because it's quite a nice drink as well. It's quite a nice shot. It's one thing I will say. It's flavourful, and you can certainly go for more. I was going to say, that's the dangerous thing about it, but it's a nice shot to get the party started in. Is classic, it is a timeless classic. The B-52 shot, or the flaming B-52. Remember always to blow out the flame before you consume. But that, guys, is the flaming B-52 shot or shooter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixing for more shooters like this, more shots like this, more cocktails, or more any drinks ideas, as I will see you guys for the next drinks video. Cheers.